Hello dear students, welcome back to online classes, and today we are going to discuss about some important institutions of agricultural extension education. And in this list, first is MANAGE, which stands for National Institute of Agricultural Extension Management, situated at Hyderabad, Telangana, and working since 1987. It is a premier institute for the extension education and training programs. And this is very reputed institutions in the field of agriculture extension. Next institute is National Institute of Small Industry Extension and Training, इसी इसको बोल सकते हैं, which is situated at Hyderabad and working since 1950. And next institutions is National Council for Cooperative Training (NCCT), which is situated at New Delhi and working since 1976. Next institute of training is the National Seed Research and Training Center (NSRTC), which is situated at Varanasi, Uttar Pradesh, and 19 it worked since 2005 for the training on. Next institutions is Central Fertilizer Quality Control and Training Institute, which is working for the quality of fertilizers, and it's working since 1982 at 3, and its headquarters is at Faridabad, UP. And next institute of extension education is National Institute of Rural Management, which is very popular and premium institutions for agriculture, rural agriculture extension and rural management, which is situated at Anand, Gujarat, and it's working since 1979 in the field of extension education and uh, rural management as well as. The next institute is National Institute for Rural Development and Panchayati Raj, which is situated in Hyderabad, Telangana, and is established in the year of 2006. Before it, it was the National Institute of Rural Development only. In 2006, it was further modified and extended as a National Institute for Rural Development and very very dedicated institutes for rural development and uh, Panchayati Raj institutions. So this is all about of some major extension education institutions which may be useful for your JRF preparation. Thank you guys for being with me. If you like this video, if you get benefited, please share with your friends. Thank you. And this time of during this time of Corona, please stay home, stay safe, and stay happy. Thank you guys. See you soon in next videos.